How to turn on voice isolation on iPhone. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can turn on voice isolation on iPhone. Turning on voice isolation is a very simple and easy process, so just follow along. So firstly, navigate to your phone app. Open phone app on your device and make a call. After you make a call, then this kind of interface will appear. Now roll down your notification bar and you will see different options like this. At the very top, you should see an option called Phone Controls. Click on it. Now you will see the voice isolation feature right here. Select voice isolation and you have successfully turned on voice isolation. And now you can go back to making your call. If you want to turn it off, then you need to follow the same process again. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.